Hey everyone, so we're in a bit of a park today. Many of you probably wouldn't know it's here. Many of you have probably in it before, like you probably come into Benidorm town to Saudi, past all the old nightclubs, and you probably sort of saw it, thought nothing of it. Got a nice park, you got all the old school water machinery, like there's tons of it just all the way down there. Plus you do tend to see like squirrels and birds in here, so like maybe if you got some little kids you're a bit bored of like going to the beach, you could maybe just come up here, like have a little picnic, do a little bit of a nature walk, like just have a walk round the park showing the squirrels or something. But really well. Or if you do live here as well, it's quite a good place to come walk your dog. Going to take a walk up into the back part. Got the main road there, Avenida Europa just down there. So yeah, it is a bit out the way if you don't really know where it is exactly, but it's a nice sort of day out, just nice to come have a look at somewhere new. Got the old KU nightclub there, I believe that's still open. I think it's only open for like certain events though. But check out down below, I think a month back I done a video on it, like history, who's performed there. Got a nice nightclub. Anyway, coming in to the main park now. Park della Sequoia. Very nice park. You may or may not know that if you do like walk right the way round this park area, you will eventually come out by the main tram station here in Benidorm. Then if you cross over from that tram station, you then got like your bus station where you can then get on buses to places like Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia,
Paris.
Yeah, funnily enough, you can get a bus from Benidorm to Paris.
The hills on here,
Yeah.
I think that was to do with cleaning the water.
Yeah, the hills on here, we think have something to do with like cleaning the water, maybe. There is a big hill up the back as well, offering a viewpoint. Zoom in a bit as well, and you will see like the skate park and some little sort of rangers huts so they cannot keep the park clean. Always a good park actually. Last time I filmed up here, I filmed after Dad, and of course you may know what happened. Bloody pissed down halfway through my film. So yeah, you can guess that today seeing the bright skies is a bit of a godsend. And of course you do have that beautiful view in the background. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's just beautiful. Like, you got your mountains in the background there, and of course, just like back down the road is the beach. Oh, not sure why I've gone on night mode there. Anyway, up this end as well, you do also have some like little dirt tracks going off deeper into the forest. You do have a lot of nature as well, like butterflies, birds, which I think I've just seen a bird fly past, but that fast that it was sort of a blur. Like, you got tons of nature, like flowers and all that. That bit there, I believe, is done so you specifically get this nature. Now, I'm going to just be quiet and there you go, guys. Butterfly there. It's like a yellowy black butterfly now. If anyone can tell me what sort it is, it would be much appreciated. And, well, as I said, like, you do get tons of different wildlife and nature. But you can see squirrels. I think there's like a special sort of rare bird specific to the Alicante region. I have no idea what he's doing. What are you doing, Dad?
The helicopter still.
Oh, the helicopter seat.
They're not working.
I think because your phone they ain't really what you expected them to be. Anyway, so comment down below if you can tell me the name of that weird butterfly. Got a nice sort of butterfly. Dragonfly just went past as well. Yeah, you do get dragonflies in Benidorm as well. That was quite often a sight we'd see when we were in the pool. Like, little red dragonfly will just sort of come and chill by the pool for a bit. Didn't even seem bothered by the fact we were swimming or out. Just seemed chilled. As well, over the back, you do of course have like your coach station and all that. I believe that's where they park like the tourist tram, the open top bus and all that. Even the land train, believe it or not, gets parked up there at the night. I think I'm probably gonna film this video till we hit the tram tracks. There's a sort of viewpoint I was on about you can look at all over the park. Nice little walk this, to be honest. I mean, if you got little kids, bring them, show them the nature. That I can do a nature walk, look at the insects, look at the squirrels. Think some of the rangers here as well who do sort of help clean the place up, they do speak a bit of English as well, so surely if you ask nicely, they'd tell you a bit more about the nature. Or even if you're living here and you got a dog or something, just come up with them, have a walk, clean up after them obviously, like everywhere else, but just good fun, or maybe even you've just had a shit day, like everything's gone wrong and you just want to come and chill, you can do that. Not too sure where these dirt tracks lead off to. I'm not really too tempted in finding out. Think there will be a few snakes about down there. Yeah. That's something I haven't seen in Benidorm yet, actually.
You want to get your eyes open?
We've seen like geckos and all that, but never snakes. I mean, I think there'll probably be more in your grassy forest areas. Do have a few benches located around the park as well, and of course, not sure if you can see that, an outdoor gym as well if you want to come do a bit of exercise. Benefit of being in Benidorm that we have the outdoor gyms, and I mean, I know that you're thinking, well, England started doing them, but the thing is, it's not really often you can use them in England, is it? And most of them will probably get damaged by like your delinquents. The hell? Oh, it's a tram. Jesus. He sounded a bit clapped up, didn't he? Yeah, look at that, guys. That even focusing. You got just a wall of purple. I'm going to take a guess and say that's lavender.
Yeah, I think so.
Just a wall of lavender plants, I mean. Beautiful, that, isn't it? I just love Benidorm. I mean, most people, you say Benidorm and they're like, oh, drugs, partying, booze, like built up areas. I don't know that you have areas like this. I mean, beautiful, and look at that view as well. Zoom in a bit and I think that over the back is Aquanatura. I think we can also see the media or flamingo oasis from here as well. And just up there is the Benidorm Cross. So yeah, you got good views all round there. Anyway, just come up this hill, and I mean, as you will see, you do have the tram tracks there. I think the trams do go both ways, like they go down towards Alicante, then they can also go Calpe, places like that. Just be careful though, because something me and Mike found out when we were using trams is that they do have all the different lines, which can be quite irritating we found that out when we were trying to go places like Mucha Vista, and it turned out we were having to get off at like one station, wait for another train, hop onto that train, then we end up in Mucha Vista.
Tell them about the price, Marcus.
Yeah, the prices of trains, they have half price all week, then on a Sunday they do become free. So I mean, that's great, to be fair. You do of course have the sports centre there in the background, which I mean, I've been told is brilliant. Then there's Benidorm International tram station. Next tram station along in that direction is the Benidorm station top of Jamie 1. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video today. See you in the next one.